Today I'm excited to introduce the high-tech SB Mini, the newest addition to our lineup of innovative joint fill pumps. The high-tech SB Mini bridges the gap between 600 milliliter cartridge and 10-gallon kit installations. It's perfect for small to mid-sized jobs because it can install an average of 500 linear feet per hour. It features two half-gallon hoppers, giving it an overall capacity of 1 gallon. The SB Mini can run on 110 volt cord electric or can be paired with our optional SB Mini cart to give you a completely cordless solution that will provide an runtime of 8 hours. The SB Mini is a piston-driven pump and also features a standard application wand, much like our larger pumps. In addition, because of its variable speed, it can install lower viscosity materials like our high-tech TX3 repair material. We've also released our PE85 in 2-gallon kit so that the hoppers are easier to fill, but still providing you a lower cost solution over cartridges. For more information, visit our website at www.hightechpolyurea.com.